So hello again. In the last video, I flagged up to you that we'd be looking at freedom is about reclaiming your nervous system, because it can seem like it's a legal status, but it's more than a legal status. It's a physiological one, and it's the moment when your body learns it doesn't have to brace anymore. It doesn't have to be always. You know, tightening up and full of tension, wondering what the next unpredictable thing is, when your shoulders drop, when your breath deepens, and when your sleep returns. Because it's not abstract healing. It's your biology is recalibrating from all of that tension and fear, and for some of you, terror. Your nervous system knows when you're free before your mind does. I know for me, I started to shake. And when my body started to shake and I couldn't actually stop myself from shaking, I knew I had to go. It wasn't a case of making a decision. My body made the decision for me, and I could see that my nervous system just was not able to tolerate the situation I was in anymore. So, um, I'll see you in the next video when we look at loving without losing yourself. So, bye for now.